Course Networking, or thecn.com, is an academic social networking-based learning platform. The mission of CN is changing the way the world learns. Since it was first launched in 2012, CN has attracted users from all over the world. As of today, CN has nearly 2 million users in more than 160 countries. As CN continues to innovate and evolve, 5 major products have been created in the CN's product line. They are Classic LMS, Pathway LMS, CN ePortfolio, CN Social, and Rumi. When CN was created, it started out as a social LMS. This is what we call the CN Classic LMS today. This piece of the CN offers networking opportunities as well as course features that include posts, reflections, the ANR Seeds incentive system, the content delivery tool known as the task tool, and comprehensive course management features such as quizzes, Dropbox, Gradebook, and learning analytics. The Classic LMS is a good fit for instructor-led hybrid courses, such as college courses. Instructors can use the task tool to guide learners through a series of learning activities and encourage them to interact with each other through posting. The Pathway LMS is a new addition to the CN platform that was released in the summer of 2020. It has a streamlined structure that can effectively guide learners through their learning tasks. Pathway courses are simple to create and learners can easily track their progress. Upon completing a lesson or the entire course, they automatically receive a badge or certificate. Learners can also take the course on any device. These advantages make the Pathway LMS the perfect tool for training organizations to deliver self-paced online learning and schools who find the conventional LMS overwhelming and difficult to use. The CN Business Plan includes free accounts to individual users. Every CN user can create 2 free personal courses, 1 of each course type, and 2 paid personal courses for just $9 per month per course. Institutions can license the CN Suite starting at $2,000 per year. The CN ePortfolio is a social networking-based academic ePortfolio platform. It is free and lifelong for any individual user. The ePortfolio consists of various sections such as About, Skills, Documents, Showcases, Recommendations, Education, Courses, and more. These sections allow students to collect learning artifacts and reflect on their learning experiences. Aside from the basic features, the CN ePortfolio also helps students with their job search, and they can network with each other based on similar academic interests and competencies. The CN ePortfolio provides a revolutionary way of pursuing and demonstrating student success. CN Social, also known as CN Post, is a social discussion tool that can be easily integrated with other learning management systems. Eliminating the redundant course management features, CN Social keeps the most unique CN features such as posting, polling, hashtags, ANR Seeds, incentive badges, and engagement analytics. Through the integration, users can create their account within a couple of clicks. Participation scores can be automatically passed back to the LMS gradebook. Many students and instructors find CN Social a more student-driven and intuitive online communication and collaboration tool. It helps create online learning communities and make online discussions more conversational and engaging. While the CN ePortfolio is free for individual users, schools may obtain a paid license to leverage integration with their LMS, as well as advanced features and services. For institutions that are interested in licensing the CN Social or CN ePortfolio tool as a plug-in tool to their LMS, we offer flexible and affordable service packages based on the number of users. Leveraging machine learning and artificial intelligence technology, Rumi is a smart learning agent that will soon be released to the CN platform. Rumi offers a series of AI-based services to CN users, such as job recommendations, learning community recommendations, and teaching and learning tips. The Rumi services are personalized and continue to improve based on user feedback and interaction with Rumi. You have seen a quick overview of all of the major CN products. If you are interested in learning more, feel free to schedule a free demo with us at thecn.com/request-demo. On our website, thecn.com, you can also find institution licensing information. We look forward to serving more educators and their students, as well as collaborating with educational institutions that are open to exploring new learning technology and pedagogy.